To improve your gaming experience on PlayStation 5, especially if you're experiencing high ping, follow these steps to optimize your connection. This guide will help you adjust settings and improve your network performance. Step 1. Check your internet speed. Use the speed test website or app to measure your current internet speed. Ensure that your download and upload speeds meet the recommended requirements for online gaming, typically at least 3 Mbps for download and 1 Mbps for upload. Step 2. Use a wired connection. Connect your PlayStation 5 directly to your router using an Ethernet cable. A wired connection is generally more stable and faster than Wi-Fi, which can help reduce ping and improve overall performance. Step 3. Optimize router settings. Access your router settings through a web browser. Look for quality of service (QoS) settings and prioritize your PlayStation 5 for bandwidth allocation. This can help ensure that your console receives the necessary bandwidth for online gaming. Step 4. Change DNS settings. On your PlayStation 5, go to Settings, Network, Set up Internet Connection. Choose your connection type and select Custom. Change the DNS settings to a public DNS server, such as Google DNS 8.8, 8.8, and 8.8, 4.4 or OpenDNS, which can improve connection speed and stability. Step 5. Close background applications. Ensure that no other devices on your network are using excessive bandwidth while you're gaming. Close any unnecessary applications or downloads on your PlayStation 5 and other connected devices to minimize interference and reduce ping. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your PlayStation 5's network performance and a reduction in high ping issues. Enjoy your gaming experience.